In this video, we will discuss Manage Payroll, reports related to payroll data. Firstly, you can see Search Payroll by Employee menu. In this menu, you can select multiple employees and print their payroll statements in batch. Check the corresponding checkboxes and click Print button. Then, in the displayed preview screen, you can print out their payroll statements. And as for the payroll books that have not been finalized yet, you can click on the corresponding year month and modify each amount and save again. And in the list, you can also select multiple payroll data and send them to employees via email in batch. And the results of sending will be displayed in Sent Email tab at the top right. Next, we will move on to Payroll Status menu. In the Status menu, you can use various search conditions and view payroll data in reports form. In Type field, by line type will allow you to view data by each employee. And by payroll book type will summarize data based on each payroll book and aggregate amount by each payroll book. And by payroll book and by department type will summarize amounts by each payroll book and by each department. And by payroll book, by department, by line option will display payroll amounts by each payroll book, by each department, and by each employee. Lastly, if you select User Customized Summary option, you can set up to 5 summary conditions and aggregate payroll amounts by each summary condition. For example, if you want to summarize 1 year's payroll data by each department and by each employee and by each month, first set the period to the corresponding year and set Summary Condition 1 to department, Summary Condition 2 to employee, and Summary Condition 3 to monthly, and click Search button. Then payroll data will be summarized by each condition, and you can also use Include Code option in the search template to include codes in the report. You can use Display Ratio option to include rates in the report. And you can use Horizontal View option to linearly list the search results. And the subtotal by each condition will be displayed as well. You can set whether to display subtotal by clicking Search at the top right. Use the Include Subtotal icon on the right side of each summary condition. Set it to Not Include Subtotal and search. And also, you can select the Sort Standard in the Select box, drop-down box, or choose between ascending and descending order. And you can use Option at the top right and go to Template Setup to add columns to your desire and edit the report to the desired form. Lastly, you can use Confirm Work Status menu in the left menu. In this report, you can view the work data that you loaded in Confirm Timesheet screen when working on payroll books. You can use the search conditions the same way as in Payroll Status Report. And you can search by various types as well. And please note that in all the reports that I mentioned in this video, you can use Printout function and PDF export or Excel export.